Many of us as gardeners are familiar with the deals that can be found at Dollar Tree. The $1.25 price tag makes it easy to grab gardening necessities such as gloves, seeds, and pots for plants, to list a few. But did you know there is an even better way to shop and save? That's right, you guessed it, Dollar Tree has a website. dollartree.com. But before you rush off to see all of the amazing deals, there are some things you should know first. Although, can you do us a favor? If you like this kind of helpful information, can you tap the like and subscribe button? It will help us at Urban Gardening with Gray keep making awesome content like this. One thing to consider, before making a purchase, compare the prices of the gardening supplies you need at the Dollar Tree store with other retailers to make sure you're getting the best deal. Also, always check the quality of the product before buying, since lower price tags may indicate lower quality products. You could end up spending more in the long run if the item you buy don't last. Plan your purchases, plan ahead, make a list of what you need and stick to it, avoiding impulse buying which could lead to buying unnecessary items. It is very easy to get caught up in the hype of buying items at a discount. The most important thing to consider is that items purchased on the Dollar Tree website have to be purchased in bulk. Some items have a manageable minimum purchase, but some can be rather large. So do take that information into consideration. One way to alleviate this issue is maybe have fellow gardening friends go in with you on the purchase, and save together. The final tip is items purchased at dollartree.com can be shipped to either your local store or your home address, which makes the entire experience even more beneficial. There you have it. dollartree.com is a site worth checking out. Hope this helps you in your gardening adventures. Thanks for watching. And as we like to say at Urban Gardening with Gray, enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden.